Welcome to our deep dive into Argo Blockchain PLC, ticker ARBK. In this video, we'll explore the dramatic transformation in the company's stock price, which recently shifted from a prolonged downtrend to an explosive short-term rally. Over the past 3 months, ARBK has experienced both steep declines and a sudden powerful breakout. We'll break down the technical signals, analyze the price and volume action, and discuss what this means for traders and investors. Let's start by setting the stage with a general overview of the recent trend and what makes this stock's movement so unique. Most of the last 3 months, ARBK was in a clear decline, falling from around 0.5 in July to a low near 0.23 by early September. This persistent downtrend reflected a lack of buying interest and a steady erosion of value. However, everything changed in the final week of the analysis period. Starting October 1st, the stock staged a massive breakout, with the price surging in a parabolic move. This reversal was not only sudden but also marked by unprecedented trading volume, signaling a dramatic shift in sentiment. Most striking feature of ARBK's recent rally is the explosion in trading volume. On October 6th, the stock traded over 270 million shares, dwarfing all previous activity. This surge in volume confirms that the move was driven by significant institutional or retail participation. Such a spike often signals a capitulation of short sellers and a frenzy of new buying, creating a highly volatile and speculative environment. The sheer scale of this volume is a key factor in understanding the current price action. Price history of ARBK tells a tale of two distinct periods. From July to late September, the stock consistently made lower highs and lower lows with modest volume and little buying interest. But beginning October 1st, the paradigm shifted. The stock nearly doubled in a single session, followed by another significant gain just days later. The climax came on October 6th, with the price trading in a wide range and closing at 0.8458. This session's volume was a clear sign of a major change in market dynamics. Moving averages provide a visual representation of ARBK's breakout. The current price of 0.85 is trading far above all key moving averages, including the 5-day, 10-day, 20-day, and even the 200-day averages. This signals a powerful shift in momentum. Such a disconnect between price and averages often suggests that a period of consolidation or a pullback may be necessary, as the averages need time to catch up and the trend to stabilize. While the short-term trend for ARBK is undeniably bullish, it's also characterized by extreme speculation and volatility. The automated signal currently reflects this uncertainty with a neutral hold recommendation and low confidence. This means that despite the strong upward momentum, the environment is high risk, and traders should be cautious. The potential for rapid gains is matched by the risk of equally rapid losses. Technical indicators are showing extreme readings. The RSI 14 is at a sky-high 88.99, and the stock RSI K5 is maxed out at 100. These levels indicate that ARBK is in a state of maximum momentum but also at high risk of a sharp reversal. Other indicators, like the CCI 20 at 505.17 and Williams R14 at -14.78, confirm the overbought condition. While the trend is strong, these signals suggest caution is warranted. Despite the overbought momentum, trend indicators validate the current move's strength. The ADX 14 stands at 28.37, showing a strong trend, with the plus DI 14 at a dominant 70.24 compared to a minus DI 14 of just 3.47. The MACD is strongly positive at 0.0586, with a rising histogram, suggesting that bullish momentum is still intact. The price is also trading well above the upper Bollinger Band, a common feature during powerful breakouts. Linear regression analysis offers a fascinating perspective on ARBK's price explosion. Over the 3-month period, the regression slope is slightly negative, indicating a flat or mildly bearish long-term trend. However, the current price of 0.85 is a staggering 179.67% above the regression predicted value of 0.3024. This massive deviation highlights how exceptional and statistically anomalous the recent rally is, and suggests the price could be vulnerable to a sharp mean reversion. Forecasting the next trading day's opening for ARBK is particularly challenging due to the extreme volatility. The stock closed near the middle of its October 6 daily range, which can signal indecision after a large move. With all momentum oscillators in overbought territory, a gap down is possible as traders take profits. However, the strong momentum and record volume could also attract more buyers, leading to a gap up. The most likely scenario is a highly volatile open with significant price swings as the market digests recent events. The current price of 0.85, ARBK is navigating a landscape of newly formed support and resistance levels. The most immediate resistance is the recent high of 0.95, set on October 6th. A break above this could trigger further short covering. On the support side, the session low of 0.585 is key, with psychological support at 0.8 and the 5-day EMA at 0.5135 also in play. Expect erratic intraday movement as traders battle between taking profits and chasing momentum. 14-day average true range ATR for ARBK is currently at 0.0729, reflecting the average daily volatility over the past 2 weeks. Based on this, one might expect an intraday high of around 0.92 and a low near 0.78 from an opening price of 0.85. However, given the recent explosive price action, actual volatility could far exceed these historical averages as the market continues to adjust to the new price level. The bullish scenario, ARBK could continue its parabolic ascent, breaking through the 0.95 resistance and moving toward psychological levels like 1. This would require sustained buying pressure and possibly positive news flow. Such a move would likely be accompanied by continued high volume and strong momentum indicators, but it would also increase the risk of a sharp reversal if the rally becomes overextended. Neutral scenario would see ARBK enter a period of high-level consolidation, with the price trading in a wide range, perhaps between 0.75 and 0.95. This would allow overbought technical indicators to reset and provide a healthier base for future moves. Consolidation periods can be frustrating for momentum traders, but are often necessary for a sustainable trend to develop. Bearish scenario, which carries significant probability given the extreme technical readings, would involve a sharp reversal or deep pullback as profits are taken. In this case, ARBK could rapidly fall back to test support levels at 0.7 or even 0.6. Such a move would likely be triggered by a loss of momentum, negative news, or broader market weakness, and could happen quickly given the current volatility. In the high-risk, high-reward environment surrounding ARBK, robust risk management is absolutely critical. Traders should set clear stop-loss levels, avoid over-leveraging, and be prepared for rapid price swings. The potential for rapid gains is matched by the risk of equally rapid losses, making discipline and caution essential for anyone considering a position in this stock. Summarize the technical picture. ARBK is experiencing extreme momentum with every major indicator signaling overbought conditions. The price is far above its moving averages and statistical mean, suggesting vulnerability to sharp correction. However, the trend remains bullish in the immediate term, and the recent breakout has attracted significant attention from traders and investors alike. Market psychology plays a huge role in ARBK's current price action. The recent breakout has created a frenzy of buying, as traders rush to participate in the momentum. At the same time, the risk of a sharp reversal looms large, as overbought conditions can quickly lead to profit-taking and panic selling. Understanding the emotional drivers behind these moves is key to navigating such volatile markets. Surge in volume suggests that both institutional and retail investors are heavily involved in ARBK's recent rally. Institutional buying can provide stability and sustain momentum, while retail participation often adds to volatility and rapid price swings. The interplay between these two groups will be a key factor in determining the stock's next move. ARBK's recent price action offers valuable lessons for traders. Extreme moves can create both incredible opportunities and significant risks. It's important to remain disciplined, stick to your trading plan, and avoid getting swept up in the excitement. Always be aware of the technical signals and manage your risk accordingly. Conclusion: Argo Blockchain PLC is a textbook example of a stock experiencing a violent short-term squeeze and breakout. The technical picture is one of extreme momentum and extreme risk. While the immediate trend is bullish, every indicator signals caution. The neutral hold signal with low confidence accurately reflects the precarious nature of the current situation. For traders, robust risk management is essential. As always, stay informed and trade wisely.